Alright, so you know me, I'm honest. I'm gonna stop my car in a second, just like I would any other wash, and I want to see how dry it is. That's what's really important to me. The actual wash wasn't that impressive. It's a shame they've got the first 20 feet here. They've got 2 employees on each side, so they've got the guy guiding it, and then they've got 2 and 2, one prep brush in, one high pressure in it, one bug sponging. So they really needed about 30 more feet of tunnel to eliminate that crap. But okay. And before I leave, I'm just gonna pull over here, 'cause I just want to take a quick look at my car. I don't want it to be unfair of that. I want to get a real fair evaluation on how dry it is compared to other washes I may go to. Some smearing there. That's from the something on the foam. The middle part is still kind of wet. Got a nice smoothness to it. Does have a good slip feeling to it. A little bit wet on the mirrors. Wet on the front. Wet right down the middle of the windshield. Mirrors. Back window on the truck, barely touched. Truck bed, tailgate, still wet. See, that's got some smearing. See that? That's from the material, that's from the foam and that. Got something on the foam that's smearing on the vehicle. Alright. Same here. Okay. Unfortunately, Sam's. Unfortunately, if you want to be honest with you, average at best. Average at best. Alright, that's my Sam's Express visit. I'd give them about a 7 out of 10.